Another day, another successful solar installation by AKSUN Electronics Technologies Ltd. We are back on site, transforming another property with reliable and uninterrupted solar power solutions. Now you know why you never patronize us. That was a joke. Not every solar installation is the same, and this project is different because this is a complete off-grid solar installation designed to power total energy independence. The team arrives on site and carefully offload all the materials needed for the installation, ensuring every component is properly handled and ready for setup. Once everything is in place, each team member takes position and begins their assigned tasks, working together professionally and efficiently to bring the project to life. While some members of the team focused on the exterior installation, mounting the solar panels and setting up outdoor components, others worked on the interior, handling the inverter setup and electrical connection. With teamwork, precision and coordination, every section of the project moved smoothly towards completion. Now to the interior part of the installation, we installed a 12 kilowatt Growatt inverter, carefully handling every necessary connection to ensure maximum efficiency and reliable performance. From the wiring to the system setup, every detail was professionally executed, with all safety measures properly taken into consideration throughout the installation process. Our breaker box was professionally installed and properly arranged to ensure safe power distribution, system protection, and easy control of the entire solar setup. Now to the exterior part of the installation, the team proceeded with the mounting of the solar panels, ensuring proper alignment and secure installation for maximum sunlight absorption and optimum performance. Every panel was carefully fixed and connected to deliver efficient and reliable power generation for the system. And now the complete system is fully operational. What makes this installation unique is that the inverter is currently running without a battery bank connected, yet the system still delivers stable and efficient power output through direct solar generation. The 12 kilowatt Growatt inverter is operating in batteryless mode, efficiently converting photovoltaic energy from the solar array to power the load while maintaining system stability and performance. This setup demonstrates the flexibility and advanced functionality of the system design, providing reliable daytime energy production even without energy storage integration. Our team leader will shortly take us through the full system configuration setup process and operational performance of the installation.
Comes with 2 strings of PV and is an hybrid off-grid system. So now you guys have been hearing of off-grid. Now the meaning of off-grid is that we can do off the grid, so which means you can do without grid at all, be it PCN or generator, and then your system works all alone. That's the meaning of off-grid. Now meaning of hybrid means that the system has an inbuilt solar charge controller. So now for every design of off-grid system which is an hybrid, they have ability to work without battery. This is one of it now. So now this system is working without battery and is serving this office space here. So we have Growatt 12 kilowatt with 2 strings. Up at the roof there, we installed on 16 620 watt Jinko solar panels, and you will see from our screen here. Let me show you the PV information. This is PV1. So applying 350. Let's see PV is PV2. Let me show you. Let's see this PV1. Now PV1 currently we are generating 0.9, converting it to 2.2. This is total kilowatts from each of the PV. This is total generated so far. So we're back to the PV. So you see supplying 230 and the load currently on the system is 3.2. Now you can see it's flashing this caution here now. Why is it flashing there? Because it doesn't sense battery. So it's working on grid. Currently now the loads on it is 2.6 amps, so 231 also. So right, this protection box here is for our output and input. This output voltage protector. We have the surge. We have the aerosol fire extinguisher breaker. Then we have for the input also the grid. Then we have the breaker. So because putting on this is of no use since there's no battery, so this is off currently. But we have the box for the PV to also have PV1 breaker, the surge. We have the aerosol breaker extinguisher. Then we have PV2 also the surge. And for a Growatt like this has also the dongle, Wi-Fi dongle. And then also we have the fire extinguisher for to protect this external system here. So and you can see system is working. So it's possible for us to have an inverter system that works with that battery. So here's a sample of one. You need something like this also for your office space, provided you'll be needing electricity during the day. Contact us at AKSUN Electronics Technologies Ltd. Be right there. Thank you.